Hey YouTube, this here is a 2021 Ram 1500 pickup truck. This is the Eco Diesel, which means it has the 3-liter Italian diesel engine in there. It has roughly around 25,000 miles on it. I drive it fairly regular to have 25,000 miles in just under 2 years. And I don't think I've ever changed the air filter in it. We've done all the regular maintenance on it, all the oil changes and all that, but we've never changed the air filter. So today we're gonna go ahead and change the air filter. So let's get to it. I'm going to use just a regular STP air filter. This is not a high flow or anything. This vehicle is not a performance vehicle or anything like that. And when all is in tip-top condition, I get up to 33 miles per gallon on the highway, and usually like around 24, 25, maybe even 26 in the city. So just using this standard STP regular air filter will be good enough. Let's go ahead and pop the hood open. And I know the truck's a little bit filthy. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Again, here's the air box, and this thing is just relatively simple. If you look here, there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's one more back here. Maybe I could get a shot of it. 6 10mm bolts that I need to take off to get this air box off. Here's the thing, this truck is kind of high up in the air, but it has a party trick. I could drop it down so I could get into the engine compartment a little bit easier. On the key, just hit the lower button twice and you could hear it, and it lowers down like about 2 inches, maybe a little bit more. You could actually see it going down, and now I could get in there relatively easy, take those 6 10mm bolts off and pop the airbox off. I'm just going to use my electric ratchet to take those off. And then this should just lift right on off. And this air filter should come right on out. This don't look way too nasty, but I'm still gonna go ahead and change it. I haven't changed this thing since we had this truck. I'll put it up against the new one just so you could get a comparison. Here's the new one, here's the old one. You could see in between the pleats the amount of dirt and stuff that's in there when you look at it against the new one. So the new one also looks a little bit thicker in the pile. So let's go ahead and replace it with this new one. This is the one from the factory, I'm guessing. And let's go ahead and replace the new one. The replacement is just the opposite of removal. Just gonna lift this thing up in here, and this just drops right in there. Alright, and there we have it. All button back up, air filter replace. I hope this video was helpful to someone. If you like it, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.